ago, we diagnosed that the diesel fuel we were delivering to customers wasn't armed with a way to defend against water accumulation as well as sludge and corrosion buildup in your fuel systems. So what we decided to do was arm our diesel fuel with our ECOPro additive in every drop of fuel that we deliver. Let's use the example of a construction company. A piece of equipment is running all day long. The engine's motor hot, the end of the workday comes, the employee parks the piece of equipment and it rests overnight. When that hot engine interacts with the cold temperatures outside, it produces condensation. This is how water is introduced into the fuel system. Water condensation accumulates on the tank and throughout the fuel system, and then the next morning when the employee starts that piece of equipment, it'll actually mix in the water with the fuel. That could be an issue because water can get sucked in through your filters, your fuel injectors, and cause issues. When water sits into a system and it interacts with fuel, over time that creates an environment for sludge and corrosion to happen. It'll produce that sludge, get sucked into your fuel filters, passed on through to your injectors, and then cause issues. As many fleet managers know, a fuel filter may not cost a lot, but a fuel injector system can be a large sum of money. So what our ECOPro additive does is, instead of it sitting on the bottom and being sucked throughout, allowing for the sludge and corrosion to grow, it actually suspends the water into the fuel, allows it to pass through the entire fuel system and be burned through the engine. So you can eliminate that problem from your equation.